So John, thank you so much for bringing Born to Shine to your elementary school in Malta, Montana. And your kids were amazing at the school assembly and now at the check-in. And thank you so much for facilitating it. You were a tremendous help. And if there's another principal of an elementary school like you, John, out there, what would you share with him or her about Born to Shine?
I would have to say that as I was watching my kids going through this, the the program is helping them to connect with that empathy that all of us needs to have. Watching as we went through this follow-up session, how they were connecting with each other was absolutely amazing.
Mm.
And being able to keep them engaged with this conversation through the whole time that we were working with it, that also is super amazing for me to watch. So I would absolutely recommend any school to bring this in. It helps support all the things that we do to help support our students' mental health.
And John, thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
My pleasure.
And
Thank you for all that you do.
well, what was neat too, and thank you. What was so cool is you had the genius idea of using chat because usually we have the session with the boards in front of the class, and you were brave and bold enough to have I don't know how many students. There were a lot of students in there today.
We
To
had
have it
over 200 students that were on individual.
individual. And do you, as a principal of an elementary school, do you feel like that there was a strong connection with the students? You mentioned that sometimes they were putting things that they struggle with, but other students were sharing support and encouragement for them.
I think in this format, them being able to see the chat was what spurred some of that reaction. They could actually see those comments that may not have been able to happen any other way. This was definitely an organic process today that it just came to be because we put it there.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's all you. I had nothing to do with it. That was your idea, so thank you, John. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.